An icy blast and blizzard in the East Coast has frozen over a Lake Erie neighborhood in New York, transforming homes into igloos and the water into an ice sheet. Homes in Hamburg, New York were completely covered in ice over the weekend, with icicles hanging down from doors and windows, leaving some homes completely in the dark due to frosted windows. Shocking photographs show homes and trees on Hoover Beach just in front of the lake covered in thick, muddy snow and ice. The damage was so extreme that some residents had to force their way out of the house as the ice covering their homes was between 1 to 3 inches thick. The weekend's weather is a natural phenomenon known as lake snow effect, where frigid air moves over the Great Lakes and creates heavy snowfall.